All right, so what's going on, everyone? We're going to add another cheap stock to our portfolio today. You guys can see what it is. It is Capital Federal Financial. We're going to add this stock to our portfolio because we think this stock has room to run. So welcome everyone to the channel. As always, hit that like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. This is our other YouTube channel that we're only going to drop videos of stocks that we think are going to go higher. We're going to talk about it from the charts perspective, and that's it. So let's go ahead and get into it real quick as to why we think this stock right here has the ability to continue to go higher. So one of the first things we always do here on this channel is we try to identify where the people are. Okay, we try to see where are the market participants. Majority of the buyers, you guys can currently tell, is down here for this stock. So we're going to mark this area as a buy pocket. Okay, the next area that we can see buyers being located is right here. And then on this weekly time frame, definitely right here. Okay, so as we anticipate this stock going higher, let's say it doesn't, we will want to see these pockets of buying hold to give us more confirmation that the buyers are still interested in the stock going up. Okay, so now let's look at the market in Capital Federal Financial. On the 2 weeks, we got 8 hours and 56 minutes left. You guys can currently see that we are breaking out of this resistance area that was currently plaguing the market right here. Okay, price is currently trying to break out that particular area on the 2 weeks. When you look this on the weekly chart, you can see that we actually did break through that area, which caused us to go back to like 2023 to see prior areas of selling in the market for this stock. So let's go ahead and make that into a sell pocket. And then here is probably the biggest sell pocket that we can see for this stock, Capital Federal Financial. CFFN is the ticker symbol. Okay, so here it is back on the 5. For us, we're going to try to target these areas as sell pockets. Let me add one more right here. Okay, so these 3 targets is where we're going to focus our attention on what we suspect this stock has the ability to run. So we got 7 days, 9 hours left on this current 5 weekly price bar, and that still looks pretty bullish, especially off of this 5 weekly price bar to which we received our buy signal. Okay, so this stock definitely is leaning more bullish. You can also see here that the market is making higher lows, which means that the stock is trending higher. Okay, so these are all reasons why we want to add this stock to our portfolio, because it is giving us characteristics of looking for higher prices. Okay, here it is on the monthly chart as well. We have 8 hours and 54 minutes left, and this is definitely signifying strength coming to the market for the month of January, because in December the market did reflect some selling because the market closed off of the highs right there. So again, that tells us that this market was being sold off throughout December, but it was bought because in January the market price came right back up to that area to where selling started. Okay, so I think we're going to track this stock on the weekly time frame. Okay, so we're going to try to target these 3 sell pockets here. So let's go ahead and put this prediction on. Okay, so our first target is right there around $7.69 to $8. Okay, that's 9.45% there. And then we're going to run our next target here at $8.24 to $8.33. I think this is where the market ultimately is going to try to go, this middle sell pocket. So that would garner around 14.5% run to the upside there. Then our third target is around $8.95. So let's go ahead and save it. And then we are going to add the stock here. Today's the 30th. And the price is $7.30. And we're going to look at this on the weekly chart. that's it. Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you guys maintain profit. And as always, trade different.